So hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you about the all pair shortest path. So in this all pair shortest path, we have to find the shortest path in every vertices from 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and from 2 as a source, 2 to 1, 2 to 3, and 2 to 4. From 3 as a source, 3 to 1, 3 to 2, 3 to 4. Like this we have to find out. So how many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what we have to do, we have to make as the 4 vertices is there, then we have to make 4 matrices. Matrices in the sense like this. This is just like a matrix, that is A of 0 matrix. I'll explain you how to do that. So here they had given in all pair shortest path a weighted graph represented by its weighted matrix. Means the graph is given, this is the weighted graph, and by using this graph we have to make a matrix, and after that we have to apply the dynamic programming they have told, and all pair shortest path algorithm is there. So I'll explain you that algorithm also. In this principle of optimality we have to solving the problem. Subpath means what? To find the shortest path from one source to destination, we have to, the problem is there, we have to make it into a sub problem, and then we have to join that. It means the sub path of the shortest problem is the shortest path between the end nodes. The meaning of this is we have to find the stepwise. With the previous sum we have to solve the further sum like this. I'll just tell you how to do that. So here they had given the formula a of k I j mean a of k minus 1 I comma j k minus 1 a of I. So this is the formula you have to remember. This is the important formula, and here in this formula a means a matrix is matrix name, that is the stage name. K is the vertex or stage. Consider it as a stage or vertex. That is, this is the first vertex, like that, something like that. So after that, I means row, J means column. See now, okay. Here the matrix is given. Actually, the question is given like this: find out the shortest path from each vertex. They will give using the all pair shortest path. Then we have to form the matrices like this. A naught you have to give A of 0, that is A naught is equals to 4 rows 4 columns. This is the 4 columns 4 rows, and here because 4 vertices are there, that's why we had given like this. So 1 to 1 there is nothing, like 1 to 1 we haven't given anything. So here nothing, no graph is there like 1 to 1, 2 to 2, like this. So everything will be 0, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, everything will be 0. So now 1 to 2, what is there? 1 to 2, just check. 1 to 2 is what? 3. So I have given here 3. 1 to 3, 1 to 3, it is 5. Sorry, 1 to 3 arrow mark is not there. So 1 to 3 is not there, then it is infinity. Now next see, 1 to 4. 1 to 4 is what? 7. Here it is 7. Same thing, 2 to 1. Where is 2 to 1? 2 to 1 is what? 8. So I have written here 8. 2 to 2 is 0. 2 to 3 is what? 2 to 3 is 2. Here it is the 2. And 2 to 4. 2 to 4, there is no graph which is connected directly. There is no edge is there. That's why I have given infinity. Next is 3 to 1. 3 to 1 is 5. See, same like that I had given here everything. So this is what we got the matrices based on this graph. So once we get these matrices, what you have to do? We got a of 0, that is a naught. Okay. So we need to find a1, a2, a3, a4. Means shortest path of this, a1, a2, a3, a4 we have to find. So to do that, like this, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 3 to 1, 3 to 3, So we have to find the shortest path from this all. What I'll do, a of 1 I'll take. So here I have taken as a of 1. We got a naught. Yes or no? We got a of 0, that is a naught. Now we have to find a1. Later on we have to find a2. Next we have to find a3. After that we have to find a4. So this is the large problem, big problem it is. And when we got a4, so that is the final solution. So this problem is very large, bigger one. Here what I have done, as it is I have kept this. So if a1 is there, then we have to keep first row first column as it is. a2 is there, second row second column as it is. a3 is there, third row third column as it is. a4 is there, fourth row fourth column as it is. As it is means what? Whatever the back is, this a0 is there, 0 3 infinity 7 0 8 5 2, same thing we have to keep as it is, 0 8 5 2 0 3 infinity 7. So no need to change anything. And after that we have to find the solution. We have to solve the next problem, that is 2 comma 3 we have to find using the formula. 2 comma 4 you have to find, then 3 comma 2 we have to find, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, this one. So how we have to find? Using this formula. So here k means what? It is 1, a of 1, that is k. What we have to find? 2 3, 2 row third column. So minimum k minus 1 means what? 1 minus 1. What is the 1 minus 1? It is 0. 2 3 is, I have written here 2 comma 3, that is I comma j. I j means what? 2 3. So I have written 2 comma 3. Next a of 0, I comma k. K value is what? 1. So 2 comma 1 plus a of 0, 1 comma 3. K means what? 1. 1 comma 3. So what will get answer? A of 2 comma 3, answer is a of 2 comma 3 is 2. A of 2 comma 3 is 2. I have written here 2. A naught 2 comma 1. Where is that a naught 2 comma 1? A naught 2, 1 is what? 8. Means previous stage we have to take. 2 comma 1 is 8 plus a naught 1 comma 3. A naught 1 comma 3 is, a naught 1 comma 3 is infinity. So we have taken infinity here, 8 plus infinity. So now which one is the minimum in this? 2 is the minimum. So we got the answer as what? A1 2 comma 3, that is second row third column, answer is what? 2. So I have written here as 2, that is second row third column I have written 2. So next thing we have to find 2 comma 4. So same formula, same thing, a dash means what? A raised to 1, that is now 1 minus 1 is what? 0. 2 comma 4 as it is we have to put, that is second row fourth column, ij as it is. Ik means what? I means 2, k means 1, k value. And the same thing, a naught, k means 1, j means what? 4. So we have to see the a naught matrices and we'll get the answer here. A naught 2 comma 4 value is what? A naught 2 comma 4 value is, second row fourth column is infinity. So a naught 2 comma 4 is infinity. A naught 2 comma 1, that is second row first column value is, second row first column value is 8, and second row third column value is something like that. See, second row first column value is 8 plus first row fourth column value is, where is that? First row fourth column value is 7. So we got the 7. 8 plus 7 is what? 15. So we have written 15 and we'll get the answer as, I have to write here 15. Same thing for this. What is that? 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2, what I have done? The same using previous stage. We got the answer as 8. So after solving this all, we get the answer A1. That is, we fill this all answer. A1 is completed. We have to find now A2, A3, A4. To find this A2, okay, to find this A2, what we have to do? We have to draw the matrices as A2, and second row, second column has to keep as it is using the A1 3088, 3088, 80215, 80215, and same thing diagonal. We have to keep this all as it is. For A1 we have kept first row first column as it is. For A2 we have to keep second row second column as it is, and the diagonal the same thing. Now we have to find first row third, first row fourth column, third row first column, third row fourth column, fourth row first column, fourth row third column using the formula. So first I have found out AK, IJ, this is there, the formula. This A2 we have to find out. First row third column, okay, 1 comma 3. IJ is what? 1 3. So minimum K minus 1 means what? 2 minus 1 is what? 1. IJ as it is we have to keep 1 3. Now IK, KJ is there. IK means I means what? 1. K means what? The stage, that is the second one, 2. KJ means what? K is what? 2. J is what? 3. I have kept as it is. Now A1 1 comma 3. A1 1 comma 3 means we should not take A naughts. We have to take A1. First row third column is what? Infinity. So I have kept as here infinity. First row second column and second row third column. First row second column is what? 3. Second row third column is what? 2. 3 and 2. So when we add both, 3 plus 2 will get 5. So what we'll do? We'll update the answer as 5 here. Understood? Next we have to find out first row fourth column. Here I have done first row fourth column. So we got the answer here by solving this. So minimum value is what? 7. So I kept here answer as 7. So same thing we have to solve. We'll get the answer of A2 of all the things. Now we have to find A3 using A2 answers. This A3 we have to find. So in A3 same diagonal we have to keep. Third row third column we have to keep as it is from the second A2, from the second C. 5207, 5207 I have kept as it is. 5807, 5807, 5801 I have kept as it is. Now we have to find the same thing, that is first row second column, first row fourth column, second row first column, second row fourth column, like this we have to find. So A3 1 comma 2, that is first row second column, minimum A2, A2 means what? K minus 1, 3 minus 1 is what? 2. And IJ is as it is, I have kept. Now A2, I means what? 1, K means what? 3. And here KJ means what? 3 comma J means what? 2. Okay. So here A2 1 comma 2. A2 1 comma 2 value is what? A2's 1 comma 2 value is 3. Here it is 3. So I have written here 3. A2 1 comma 3, that is first row third column. First row third column value is 5. And third row, see here, first row third column value is 5 I have written. Then third row second column, third row second column is 8. So I have written here 8. So 8 plus 5 will be 13. It will be the bigger than 3. So what I have done, minimum value I have kept 3 and I have updated here, that is first row second column value is 3. Next we have to find first row fourth column. So after we solve that all, we'll get the answer this one. Next for A4 also we have to apply the same thing. We'll get the final answer. When we get the final answer, we have to do like this: first, second, third and fourth. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. What will be the answer? 1 to 2 answer is 3, 1 to 3 answer is 5, 1 to 4 answer is 6. Same thing for 2 you have to do, 2 to 1, 2 to 3, 2 to 4. So for that, 2 to 1 answer is what? Second row first column answer is 5. Second row third column, second row third column, what is the answer? 2. Then second row fourth column is 3. Same thing for 3 also, we have to draw diagram 3. Then we have to solve the same diagram like that, and we have to put the edge. Try to do like that by you. So this is one small algorithm. I, J and that weight is been assigned and K is been given. So same thing, we have to use 3 for loop. Inside that the formula you have to keep, then it will finish. So if they ask about algorithm, then you have to write this algorithm if they ask about the problem. So problem is lengthiest one, I think so for 10 marks it will come. So you have to solve everything. So I have solved some of the steps, I have skipped it. Okay, so try to solve it everything by your own. Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask it. Okay, thank you.